Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Amazon Customer Service Associate Language Specialist role के लिए hiring कर रही है. Job location is Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Let us see the job summary and overview of this role. Customer Support Specialist, Kindle Direct Publishing, German speaking. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) is a self-service publishing framework for publishing ebooks to the Amazon Kindle store. The KDP support specialist will be the frontline interface between Amazon and vendors or content publishers who use the KDP tool to upload content they want to put up for sale on the Kindle store. The KDP support specialist will serve as the primary support interface for vendors using the KDP system and ensure all the concerns are duly attended to such that the system works smoothly. Opportunities await strong candidates looking for a fast-growing, dynamic, challenging, innovative, and fun working environment. This is a unique opportunity to be a part of revolutionary product that will change the way people publish. Now let us check the responsibilities. Process and respond to emails and phone calls received from publishers in German and English. Respond to queries sent to the KDP forums. Investigate payment concerns brought up by English and German speaking customers. Route legitimate payment concerns to accounts payable. Reprocess stuck books through the system. Route issues and bugs that need engineering expertise to the development teams. Remove content as it is identified by the QA team. Notify vendors that their content has been removed. Maintain and improve a knowledge base with unique vendor requests and their solutions. Work on developing canned responses for common questions. Work with operation manager in documenting process flows. Now let us see कौन eligible है इस job role के लिए. So there are basic qualifications. B2 certificate in German. Must be fluent in German and English in written and verbal communication. Experience in a technical support process, especially for web-enabled software products or services, is highly preferred. Excellent verbal communication skills required in both English and German. Must be able to interact with an external party like customers and suppliers comfortably. Excellent written communication skills should be able to understand a complex problem and draft a concise email response. Basic familiarity with web technologies and HTML is highly desirable. Strong analytical skills required. Must be able to understand problems that vendors are facing, categorize, document and decide on course of action on when and to whom to escalate. Detail oriented and process focused. Must be able to follow the process and document interactions as per requirements in clear and concise manner. They have also given the preferred qualification. Let us check these qualifications. Additional computer skills certifications in web technologies are preferable. Experience in a technical support process, especially for web-enabled software products or services, is highly preferred. Experience in email customer service. Excellent verbal communication skills required. Must be able to interact with an external party like customers and suppliers comfortably. Excellent written communication skills. Then basic familiarity with web technologies. Strong analytical skills required. Must be able to understand problems that vendors are facing, categorize, document and decide on course of action on when and to whom to escalate. Detail oriented and focused. College graduates preferred, not mandatory. That means who are having diploma and who are 12th pass are also eligible to apply. If you are eligible for this job role, then आप apply कर सकते हैं इस apply now button पर click करके. After clicking on apply now, this page will open and you have to log in into your Amazon account. You can log in with your Google account also. After that ये application page open हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे आपको अपने basic details डालने हैं. Contact information, SMS notification if you want, you have to enable that. Then general questions are there, work history and skills, education, work eligibility, resume, acknowledgement, voluntary equal employment opportunity, self-identification question, military status questions. Then you have to review your application and you have to submit that. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.